So in this video, we wanted to show you what to expect right out of the box when purchasing a Bugaboo Fox. We're going to open up the box and assemble the stroller, show you what you need to do to get it ready for driving. So, there we go. Here it is. On top is the chassis and wheels, and it looks like all the textiles then are separated out. So we're going to mount them in the video as well. Here is our seat, shopping basket, the cover for the bag, we have the wheels. Back wheels. You can pull out the chassis itself. Under here, some more goodies. Let's see. We have the front wheels, the canopy, the internal parts of the seat, and at the very bottom they sent it to us with the bag already mounted on the frame, which was quite thoughtful of them for use with a newborn. The mattress for the bag, nice instruction manual, packaged nicely. It looks like some kind of a software book in those old days. And let's see, we have the rain cover. And here we have the bumper bar, safety bar. Also doubles as a handle, of course, for the bag. And an empty box. We're going to fold up the chassis for the first time, and there are a couple of safety locks here. You just turn them and one side will click into place, the other side will pop back, and then as you pull everything out it snaps into a locking position. Then we can put the wheels in, front wheels. Pressing that button in order to get it in place. Although I assume that's sort of because it's new, it should more or less just snap in. We'll see over time. And then the back wheels. And we're going to take off the brake. Okay, next we're going to mount the shopping basket. You want to do it with the pocket backwards. There are actually two pockets then, but with the tag backwards, we could say. So you have these buttons integrated into the frame, and on the shopping basket there are little button slits. So we're just going to slide those in. Turn this around to show you. In the center, there are these little slots here, and there are like plastic keys that are going to slide in just like this. And there we have the shopping basket mounted. Okay, we're going to prepare the bag for mounting. You just want to flip it over, upside down, and you can pull out these stabilization struts. And then you can pull the bag upwards, and these are going to connect right to these plastic buttons here. So you don't have to do it upside down. We're doing so for the video. You just want to slide this inside there so that the lip of the frame rests on that bit. And then just push it over like that. Turn around and do the other side. There you go. And then we can mount it onto the stroller. And came with the mattress. The bag cover is zippers as usual. Zip it on from one side and pull the first zipper all the way around. Then we can mount the canopy. It just clips right on through these little clips here. And lastly, the bumper bar will slot right in to these little slots here. So that's the mounting of the bag. Presumably, if you had ordered it just for the seat would have come mounted. But these are the parts for the seat, and we are going to do them in another video, just so that this video isn't too long. We hope that this video has been helpful. If it has been, we ask you to subscribe, as it helps us to continue making videos in the future. Thank you.